Hey, this is the Trekassy car tie down strap kit. I'm using it here to strap down our show car on the trailer. I'm going to use the straps this so I can go around the rims right here. And then I have these long, I like the hook that goes right to our eye hooks, snaps in real positively. I basically get four straps in this kit. I'm going to do the same thing on all four wheels. The quality is good. It's 10,000 pound brake strength. So I've got 8 axle straps. I'm going to cross them across here. It's 2-inch webbing. They're 96 inches long. It's all made out of polyester. It's pretty simple to use. The car trailer tie down straps are professionally designed with 3,333 pounds safe working load.